Drugmakers are closing out a year when they achieved several historic firsts that will shape the pharmaceutical industry in 2024 and beyond. The weight loss drug market transformed into the pharmaceutical industry's newest gold rush this year, as demand for costly but highly effective treatments from Novo Nordisk and Eli Lilly surged. Patients and investors also saw that the benefits of the medicines could extend beyond their original purposes. The Alzheimer's disease space also got plenty of attention, with the approval and launch of the first-ever treatment proven to slow the progression of the memory-robbing condition. What's more, the world's first vaccines against respiratory syncytial virus rolled out in several markets this fall, and U.S. regulators last week approved the first-ever gene-editing therapy, which will be used to treat sickle cell disease. COVID vaccines and treatments were the biggest losers of this year, as demand plummeted to new lows while cases and public concern about the virus dwindled from their pandemic peaks. For the first time, those products became an enormous burden on the industry, prompting Wall Street to turn its focus to the breakthroughs in weight loss drugs and other treatments. A new, controversial policy also rocked the pharmaceutical industry this year: Medicare drug price negotiations, which aim to rein in prescription drug costs in the U.S. to drugmakers. The policy is a new headache that could eat into revenue and profits. For years, the weight loss market was stagnant with products that were ineffective or carried unpleasant side effects. Newer obesity and diabetes drugs such as Wegovy and Ozempic from Novo Nordisk and Mounjaro from Eli Lilly changed that, raking in billions for the drugmakers and catapulting them to the center stage of the pharmaceutical industry. Shares of Eli Lilly are up about 58% this year, making it the largest U.S. pharmaceutical company based on its market cap of more than $500 billion. Novo Nordisk stock is up about 47% for the year, and the drugmaker briefly became Europe's most valuable company in September. Now, some analysts believe weight loss and diabetes drugs could grow into a $100 billion market by 2030. The popularity of those treatments has even prompted some analysts to speculate that the drugs could reshape other industries, though it's still unclear what long-term effect they will have on food producers and restaurants, among other businesses. Other drug makers, including Pfizer and Amgen, are scrambling to capitalize on the weight loss drug industry gold rush. Many companies released early trial results on their experimental obesity drugs this year, and expect to publish more data in 2024. But the weight loss drug market also faced several hurdles this year, and the issues aren't expected to go away in 2024. High demand pushed Wegovy, Ozempic and Mounjaro into supply shortages.